Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a survey questionnaire using Google Forms step by step. Google Forms makes it easy to collect feedback, conduct surveys, and gather responses from anyone using a simple online form. So let's get started. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to Google Forms. Sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Once Google Forms opens, click Blank Form to create a new form from scratch. At the top of the page, enter a title for your survey. Then, add a description to explain the purpose of the questionnaire if needed. Now, click on the first question and enter your survey question. Next, choose the question type from the drop-down menu on the right. You can choose from options such as multiple choice, checkboxes, short answer, paragraph, drop-down, linear scale, and more. Enter the answer choices if your question requires them. To add another question, click the plus button on the toolbar on the right. Repeat the process until you've added all of your survey questions. If a question must be answered, turn on the Required toggle at the bottom of the question. To organize longer surveys, click the Add Section button to divide your questionnaire into multiple pages. When your survey is complete, click the Settings tab. Here, you can choose whether to collect email addresses, limit responses to one person, or allow respondents to edit their answers after submitting. Next, click the Preview button in the top right corner to see how your survey will appear to respondents. If everything looks good, click the Send button. You can share your survey by email, copy a link, or embed it on a website. Once people begin responding, click the Responses tab to view and manage the results. And that's it. You've successfully created a survey questionnaire using Google Forms. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Forms tips, Google Workspace tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.